Students, today we are going to learn about simple interest. Before we are starting simple and we have to understand the sum term. Principal, interest, rate. Okay, now we are going to understand principal. What do you mean by principal? Principal means the sum of money deposited or borrowed from a bank. So sometimes we are using the money from the bank. Okay, we will take some money. So this money we say it is a principal. Now what is interest? The extra money given to you at the end of a period of time for using your money. So we say that particular money is interest. Rate, the fixed percentage as the interest on your principal which the bank pays per annum. Now per annum means per year is called the rate. Okay, now you are going to understand this term when we solve the examples. Now amount. All the end of a given period of time, when you get back the money you have deposited or when you pay back the loan, the sum of total of the principal and interest is called the amount. So in amount we are getting principal and interest both. When we add it we will get the amount. Now time, the period for which your money is deposited in the bank or for which the loan has been borrowed. Sometimes we are taking the money or keeping the money for 2 years, 3 years. So here 2 years, 3 years, what 2 months, 6 months. So it is a time period of that particular month. Now we are going to start the questions regarding with the simple interest. Principal, it is given to you rupees 700. Rate is 10%. Time is 4 years. We have to calculate the simple interest. So what is simple interest formula? First we have to write the simple interest formula. Simple interest equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T. P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. Once you know the formula, now we have to substitute the value. What is P? 700. What is R? 10. What is time? 4 years. Divide by 100. Divide by 100. Now here we have 0 is given to you. So 0 cancel with this 0. This 0 is cancelled with this 0. Now what is remaining? 7 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 4. Now we have to multiply. 7 tens are 70. Multiply by 4. Now again you multiply this. 4 zeros are 0. 4 sevens are 20. Now this is a rupees unit, so we have to put the unit sign. So your answer is simple interest 280. So write the answer. Simple interest equal to rupees 280. Now same pattern we are solving next question. Principal here it is 7,800. Rate is 8%. Time is 1/3 years. Simple interest. Again, now we know we have to use a formula. Okay. Now children, whenever you will get mixed number, mixed fraction, so always you have to convert into improper fraction, improper number. So first we are going to substitute this value. 7800 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 2 1/3 divide by 100. Divide by 100. Now here mixed number is given to you. So mixed number I have to convert into improper number. So 7800 multiply by 8 multiply 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7/3 multiply by divide by 100. Now 0 get cancelled. So what is remaining here? Here you will get 78 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7/3. Now here we can do the cancellation. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 is remaining, it becomes 18. So 3 6 are 18. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 is remaining, now it becomes 18. So 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 80. So now what we get? 26 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7. Now 26 multiplied by 8. When you multiply, you will get 208 multiplied by 7. Now 208 multiplied by 7, you will get 1, 4, 5, 6. Rupees is the unit, 1456. So this is your answer. So here again we have written the formula, substitute the value, do the cancellation, and then you get the answer. Whenever you get mixed number, always convert into improper number. Principal equal to rupees 9,000. Rate is 12, 1/2%. Time is 1:46t. Now here rate is given 12, 1/2%. Now here mixed number is given to you. We have to convert into improper fraction. Now understand here, 12, 1/2 equal to whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator. So 12 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 12 2s are 24 plus 1 divided by 2. So you will get the answer 25/2. So it means what is your here? Percentage rate? Rate is 25/2. Now come to the 146 days. Now days is given to you, we have to convert into year. So 1 year equal to how many days? 365 days. Okay, now these days I have to convert into years. So what I am going to do? 146 divide time equal to 146 divided by 365 years. Now we have converted into year. So this is our new time and this is our new rate. Okay, now this value we are going to substitute in the formula. Simple interest equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. Now here, what is P? 9,000. What is R? R value we have taken from here. So 25/2. What is time? Time is 146/365. 146/365 divided by 100. Now 0, 0 get cancelled. What is remaining? 90 multiplied by 25/2 multiplied by 146 divided by 365. Now here 0, here 2 we can divide. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. So we are now here 5, here 5. So we can do the cancellation. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 1 is remaining, it becomes 15, 5 3s are 15. So we will get 45 multiply 5 multiply 146 divided by 73. Now 73 multiply by 73 2s are 146. So we can do the rough work here. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So we got 73 2s are 146. So 73 1s are 73, 73 2s are 146. Now I am getting 45 multiply by 5 multiply by 2. Now we have to multiply. So when we multiply all together, 45 multiply by 5. So we can do the rough work here. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So here 2, 2, 5 multiply by 2. Again we have to multiply. 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 2s are 4. So I am getting my answer 450 rupees. So my simple interest equal to rupees 450.